unobstructed water views of magnificent lake, sunsets, and city lights at night from floor-to-ceiling windows in living room and every corner of your huge bedroom, spacious split 2 halves floor plan. Big eat-in kitchen, ample closets, just painted. Covered parking, extra storage. Excellent! Guard-gated Biscayne Cove offers 24/7 security and valet, gracious attended lobby, 2 pools, lit tennis, currently being improved, exercise rooms, hot tub, sauna and more. Fab Aventura schools and community. Rent includes all amenities plus enhanced basic cable, and 2 HD boxes, water, pest control, etc. Landlord requires acceptable credit report and 1-page application. No smoking or pets, please. Live minutes from Aventura Mall, beaches, dining, nightlife, Bal Harbour, Gulfstream Park, airports.